Good girl. Oh, hens. Good girl. Oh, good girl, sis. Good girl, sis. Good girl. Oh, hens. Good girl, Sassy. Good girl. Good girl. Fuck. Damn it. Went down in the corner there. Didn't see it, but it sounded good. What's it? Hey, what's it? Where's it? Good girl. Girl. Good girl. Nicely, nicely, nicely. 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 Good girl, sis. Good. Hey. Woo. Good flush. Good girl, pop. Good girl. Good girl. Hey. Good girl. Good girl. Finally got onto it. Just about to say, just back here when I came up over the ridge there, there's normally a few sitting down that little gut on the corner. But he was just around the corner. He's given me the slip probably the last 4 or 5 times, so. We got him, mate. We got him. Good girl. Good girl. Nice late season pheasant. It's the last week of pheasant shooting, hunting up here in the Waikato, so spurs. Not the longest tail, but it's a really nice conditioned bird. Really good girl, Sass. Hey? Good girl, where's it? Shit, they cagey here, man. Jesus. Good girl. Ooh. Good shit. Good girl. Good girl, Sissy. Good girl. Come here, pup. Come. Good girl, come. I see. Good girl. Go. Good girl. Good girl. Some quail. Jeez, you gotta be bloody quick to get these fees. Alright. before you realise what they are, they're gone. Come on. Where's it? Fish up. Damn it. Ah. Oh, peacock. Good girl. Good girl. Where is it? Good girl. Fish him up. Farmer says there's some peacocks there that he wants to get rid of. I don't know how I feel about shooting one of those, but I've eaten one, so it'll be something different. Look like it on the wall too. Oh, that was a big bird. Look, here's this. What was that? It's a bit different than that. Took off down here, so we might catch up with it a little bit later. Cool. Oh shit. Good girl. Ah, good girl, Sissy. I saw some feathers come out of its ass. Good girl, Sis. Good girl. Flushing quail down here somewhere. Good girl, Sass. Here you go. Here you go. Come. Good girl. You find some quail? Hey? Yeah. Good girl, hey. You having fun down there? Hey? You having fun down there? You love it, eh? You love it. You're a little bit too far away from me, those ones, bub. Hey? Hey? Good girl. Shot it in the ass. You sure I shot it in the ass? Hey? Good girl, Sissy. Good girl. Oh, quails, eh? She's all go. Alright. Shows you always got to be ready. So I could see she was onto a bird there, because I could tell by her body language she started to get real excited. Tail was up. She's getting real birdy. I had my gun up to my shoulder, ready to go, and I still wasn't quick enough. I don't normally shoot like that. I normally snap and shoot, but I make excuses, I suppose, for missing. He took off. I dropped some feathers out of his ass, but it looked like he went all the way down here, down the valley. We've already been down there today, so you can hear those quail. Good little covey in there. It's probably about 20 or 30 in there. Very cool. They've been a good couple of appetizers for my pheasant. Oh, carry on. Hop up, let's go find you some water.